That loud sound from your stomach isn't hunger crying for food. It's your digestive system doing maintenance. Even when you haven't eaten, your stomach and intestines keep contracting to clear out leftover food, liquid, and air. These rhythmic movements are called the migrating motor complex. When your stomach is empty, there's more space for sound to echo, so those movements become louder and more noticeable. That's why stomach growls can happen even after you eat, or when you're nervous. Stress speeds up digestion and movement. So a growling stomach doesn't mean something's wrong. It means your digestive system is active, healthy, and on schedule. In other words, that noise is your body saying, everything's working just fine. Subscribe for more.